Welcome to 1146 Autumn Hills, Gardnerville, Nevada, nestled at the base of Job's Peak Mountains in the Sierra Mountain Range. Privately gated 8 acres, this amazing property has its own natural spring with water rights. The water rights then bring in the water to the ponds, to the home, and are also bringing in geothermal for your AC and your heating. Hundreds of Jeffrey pine trees and an orchard of fruit trees. 2 separate homes sit on this property, but yet are still attached. Over 4,900 square feet. The main home is 2 stories with 2 living rooms, 3 bedrooms, and an office. You'll notice lots of natural light, beautiful wood beam ceilings throughout. Newly remodeled kitchen, the second home is a single story with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and unique country-style kitchen. Behind the home sits a large 10-car garage with separate studio living quarters with a full bathroom and an RV bay. There is so much to see about this amazing property. Call us and schedule your private tour today.